Howdy do! Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are unboxing a new pedal board. Let's get to it. So here we are. I've got my little knife with me and we're just going to open the box now. This was delivered yesterday, which was the 6th of June 2021. It was delivered by Amazon. And it's the Donner DB3. We've got lots of packaging, and here it is. So I think we should just open that how it is. So it's the pedal board with the case, as you can see. Case stroke gig bag. And upon first look, looks a sturdy gig bag. So we'll put that out of the way so we can see this properly. So that, because it was all squashed down, it was a bit flat. However, when opened out to a degree, as you can see, there's some room in there for pedals and cables and things. We've also got a nice little pouch on the front, and in the pouch we have some hook and loop tape for attaching the pedals to the pedal board, and we've also got some patch cables, 3 of them. So that's very good to give us a good start. They seem nice and flexible, so they'll go from one to another, and they're a good size. They're not too short, but they're definitely not too long. So that's a good thing. So we'll pop those back. In fact, no, we'll pop those there for now. And we also have this, which is some more hook and loop tape, but it hooks and loops onto itself. So yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Is that it? Yes, that's it. And the zip seems very sturdy and flows quite nicely, very nicely actually. So on the outside we've also got some feet on the gig bag, as you can see, and the overall look of it, we've got the overall look is good. Obviously you can see that it's black, heavy duty, and hopefully it will be good enough to house the pedals and the pedal board. And here is the pedal board. So we'll pop that here for now. And here we are. The DB3 is the same size as another of Donner's pedal boards. There's a little logo there of Donner, D-O-N-N-E-R, as the same as this. So it's the same as the other pedal boards, however it's got this back panel on it to give it some angle when it's on the floor. As you can see, it's a bit like a step. So that way we'll have the pedals on it, and there we are. It's made of black, well, it's powder coated aluminium with some rubber feet on each corner. Yes, it's lightweight, so that's good for transportation, but it's also, because it's metal, it's rugged. So there we are. I'll put these on here, and then that's that. So, where are you? Where are you? Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos to come. And please comment and also ask whatever questions you would like, and I will answer them. Thanks very much. Coming up is I will do a review on this, and I will also put some pedals on it to demonstrate the effectiveness of the board. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye bye.
Last night I went down to the wishing well, threw a penny in the water, made a wish. I can't tell you what I did me wishing for, but I can tell you all about this.